Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. I- as you can see in my YouTube account, that is my full name, Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in its respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, may marami nagtatanong sa akin or nagchat sa akin tungkol sa necrological videos ni yung sikat na veteran Filipino actor Eddie Garcia or known as Manoy. By the way, si Eddie Garcia ay known as sa kanyang mga interview is Manoy. Yan. By the way, meron na po akong important details. Marami nagtataka or nagtatanong bakit wala akong necrological videos ni Eddie Garcia. Okay, here is my answers. Hindi lang isa, marami. Kasi ako talaga kung gagawa ng necrological videos, kailangan complete details at ano yung personal background. To be honest na, ito po ang aking resulta. Kaya ko hindi magawa itong necrological video yung pagkataon niya kasi of course he died already June 21. Alam na natin yan. He died June 21, 2019. So that is not questionable. Ang ang isang part na sumabit ako is yung yung before his death yun, at saka yung family background. Yun ang dahilan kaya ako na-delete for not only days. It took me, hindi naman years, months lang, months. Kasi ganyan ako gumawa ng necrological video. Kailangan complete ang detail. Kasi kung incomplete details, tapos may kulang-kulang pa, mas lalong mahirap. Kaya yan ang dahilan kaya na siya delete. Pero bigyan ko kayo ng konting background kasi pag sinabing complete details, ibig sabihin from his birth until his death. Ganun. Bigyan ko kayo ng konting background. By the way, I already confirmed na si Eddie Garcia his real name is Eduardo Verches Garcia. That is his real name. Yes, tama ang hinala ninyo. Siya po ay purely Bicolano because his birthplace is in Huban, Sorsogon. He was born on May 2, 1929 in Huban, Sorsogon. He is a Bicolano. Tapos, ang date of death niya is June 21, 2019 sa Makati. Sa hospital siya namatay. June 21, 2019 at age 90. Tama, age 90. Tapos, by the way, ang cause of death niya is hindi heart attack ang kinamatay. Itong cause of death niya, doon ko na confirm, hindi totoo yung heart attack. Nag-suffer siya ng cervical fracture. Yun po. Nakoma pa siya bago siya namatay. Nakoma pa siya. Ang last shooting niya is after sa FPJs ang probinsyano, yun sila ni Coco Martin. Tinapos na lang niya yung role niya kasi lilipat sa GMA. Doon na, yun na pala ang last yung actually wala kayo makikita yung title na show Rosang Agimat. Yan na yung pinerform niya. Natumba siya kung matatanda ninyo sa mga news na nakita mo. Nagpe-perform pa siya din, natumba. So, yun. By the way, yung last May 24, 2024, yung pinirma ni Philippine President Bongbong Marcos itong Republic Act 11996 or tiyata na Eddie Garcia Law is already a law. So halimbawa kung kailangan meron protection, aside sa protection gear, meron silang susuotin na parang kumbaga stand kung in case ma-collapse, kailangan meron protection. Kasi kung magka-accident, yan na po ang kuan. By the way, this is just only parang sabihin na natin introductory. Ibig sabihin hindi pa totally complete. Binigyan ko kayo ng details. By the way, ang kanyang urn is olive green urn. Yun po ang ginamit sa kanya. Kasi yan ang wish niya eh. Bago siya mamatay, i-cremate siya. Sa Kwan Hinel, yung memorial sa Heritage Memorial Park. That is located in Taguig. By the way, ang Heritage Memorial Park is very common cemetery. Aside sa cemetery, meron din silang cremation. So, kasi uso kasi ang cremation. So, yun. Okay, so this is just only an introductory part itong necrological video ni Eddie Garcia, pero hindi pa to ang complete. Kaya mapapansin niya ang title, I have the complete details of Eddie Garcia. Yun ang kasi yan ang policy ko eh. Ang aking necrological video kailangan meron complete details. Ito hindi pa siya complete details. Ang point ko dito is meron na kayong idea. Okay. Yung children, wife, at saka yung sino naka-perform niya, I would like to inform to the public na mahaba-haba itong video na yon. Pag na-mention ko, ito wala muna. Meron na kayong idea kung ano ito. Okay? Okay, thank you so much for listening this video. Good morning.